Okay, so you are now ready to start creating your book. To do this, we are going to be using an app called Book Creator that can be used on the Chromebooks, okay? To get to Book Creator, the web address is app.bookcreator.com. Once you are there, we're going to need to create an account. To create an account, you're going to say that I am a student, and you are going to sign in with Google. If you have multiple accounts, you may have to choose which account you are signing into for Book Creator. So we are going to use the library site for this one. Okay, once you've signed in, it's going to ask you for a join code. Your join code is something that your teacher will give you. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my join code for joining the Book Creator site. And that's all there is to it. You'll notice now that you are in and that you have a student account set up in Book Creator.